In this video, I will going to discuss about processes of wood preservation. Preserving wood is ensuring its usefulness and sustainability in construction and other applications. Most of the wood preserving process now in use may be classified roughly as non-pressure processes. Non-pressure process is a preserving method which is carried out without the use of artificial pressure, so it means with the use of superficial pressure. This method is numerous and varied in their procedure. First is brushing and spraying. Brushing is the simplest method of applying preservatives. For well-seasoned timber, oil-type preservatives are applied with good quality brushes. For better results, the applied preservative should be in hot condition. Multiple coats should be applied and a certain time interval should be maintained between successive coats. Spraying also is an effective technique than brushing. In this case, a preservative solution is sprayed onto the surface using a spray gun. It is time-saving and quite effective. Dipping is another type of preserving in which timber is dipped directly in the preservative solution. Hence, the solution penetrates the timber better than the case of brushing or spraying. In some cases, the steeping or wetting of timber with a preservative solution is allowed for a few days or weeks, which is also quite an effective process. Kyanizing. This treatment is named after John Kyan, who patented it in England in 1832. It is merely a steeping process in which mercury chloride solution is used as the preservative. Because of the high toxicity of this chemical and its resistance to leaching, very good protection may be provided, despite the limited penetration. In practice, poles are soaked in a week to 10 days in 67% solution of mercury chloride. Poles are usually air seasoned before kyanizing and then submerge them in the preservative while they are still warm. Cold soaking is a process wherein wood is soaked in an unheated oil solution of preservative. This method is commonly used with oil solutions of pentachlorophenol, but any preservative oil solution may be used provided the oil is sufficiently built to penetrate well at the treating temperature. This absorption and penetration vary widely the species and the condition of the wood. Because not of its simplicity and since close control of time and temperature is required, cold soaking method has been widely recommended for use. Hot and cold open tank treatment of timber. In this method, the timber is placed in an open tank which contains the preservative solution. This solution is then heated for a few hours at 85 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius. Then the solution is allowed to cool and the timber gets submerged with this gradual cooling. This type of treatment is generally done for sapwood. Diffusion process in which preservative is gradually applied into the wood from a concentrated source of supply. The common practice of applying this method is by introducing toxic chemicals through holes some distance to the stock lumber inside the closed chamber. Charring is nothing but the burning of timber surfaces, which is quite an old method of preservation of timber. In this method, the timber surface is wetted for 30 minutes and burnt up to a depth of 15 mm from the top surface. The burnt surface protects the inner timber from white ants, fungi, and etc. This method is not suitable for exterior woodworks, so it is applied for wood fencing poles, telephone pole bottoms, and etc. Powell process is a process of immersing wood in a saccharine solution containing arsenic and other chemicals. Stepping method is an open tank process in which the base of small trees is submerged into the treating chemicals before moving the branches on top. Ordinarily, the solution will be absorbed within days. And that would be all. Thank you.